Hello everyone, welcome back to Resilience. Accounting concept yam lai thok na khara khamina si video asilo sila sum soidana khangani financial information kamaina generate tawi analyze tawba amasung communication. Accounting process e khoina main oina part ani ka khaido e ahanba da financial information generate tawba ani shubuda financial information to sizinaba Anishigi manungda yamna chawba step taruk lay recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing, interpreting, and communicating. Recording se foundation ni accounting gide financial transaction loina pot yon gibai bills, salary slip or passbook entry loinmuk journal ko book ta record tawgani. Example asomna office ki supplies lupa lising manga gi leire madu journal da record ihan hana tawgani. Classifying transaction se once record tawradi moise ledger the group oina magi category da thamgrani. Example loina expenses rain kamari leinaba ngai rain account da changani aduga salaries paid tawgibana salaries account da changani asina khangani paisa se kaida chatki amasung changai haiba. Summarizing the ekoina data sing adu classify tawrani key financial statements prepare tawnabagi trial balance, profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow statement. Masigi statements in asina financial data to organize over format the present tawani internal users amasung external users ta. Analyzing high the financial statement dagi data organized tawni to establish relationships. Fixed assets ngaina section amada aduga current asset na amada. Interpreting se analyzing ni maso adubu ain sina ekoina khangi tungda kari thorokpa yai or maram khangba ngami. Example oina karigumba profit 100 aba pot mayam yolasu interpretation na maram do khangba ngamgani sina ekoide decision lawbuda mateng pangi. Communicating final step se communication ni summarize, analyze and interpreted financial data sing adu stakeholders sing da sinagadawribani through reports, charts and graphs da. Asina sijinagadawriba miduna decision lawbuda numahen. Bookkeeping versus accounting. Ahanbagi step ahum recording, classifying, summarizing tawbadu bookkeeping da chingi aduga analyzing, interpreting, communicating tawbaduna accounting da chingi. Ngasi di mata asida losinjarge. Thank you all.